So, welcome to this series. It's a new series exploring some of the common, frequently asked questions of cyber hygiene and related topics. I am Flo, and I will be your host, answering questions from some people that I know and some people that I don't know, and really anyone who sends in a question. I'm the CTO of Peerio, and I also do a lot of education around security and other technical topics. This is a series about what you can do to inform yourself and to implement some best practices relating to cyber hygiene in your office, at your job, whether you work with a lot of people or not, how you can really do something sensible to protect your data, to keep it out of the hands of attackers. And the things that I want to explore here are really sort of practical fundamentals. I don't want to overwhelm you with all of these scary threats. I don't want to give you tons of technical terminology. What I want to do is kind of take a more human approach and a very practical and measured approach. Because one of the things that I hear really often is, I'm overwhelmed. How do I even get started? And I hear this from all kinds of people. So from lawyers who work alone, to people with family businesses, to tech startups, all kinds of different businesses constantly have this problem of kind of knowing that digital security is a thing that is important, but also feeling that it is extremely difficult and not knowing where to start. And so the thing is that there isn't necessarily a universal best practice that you could start with. There are a few sort of common sense tips, but the first step in evaluating your digital security needs in evaluating cyber threats is really understanding what your assets are. What are the things that you need to protect the most? So this is going to vary wildly depending on what it is you do, what it is your business does, and therefore the plan for protection is going to be very different. So the first exercise truly is to think about what the thing is within your organization, within your business, that would cost you the most, whether it's in actual money or in reputation or in whatever, if it were compromised in some way. So that's my first challenge to you. And then from then on, having evaluated what those risks are, then we can, and what those assets are, then we can move forward towards thinking about how you can actually protect against any threats that might come towards you.